Introducing the 2016 Ram 1500. It features an automatic transmission, four-wheel drive, and a powerful 8-cylinder engine. It includes heated seats, a tachometer, variably intermittent wipers, power front seats, automatic dimming door mirrors, a trailer hitch, and a split folding rear seat. Features such as automatic climate control and leather upholstery prove that economical transportation does not need to be sparsely equipped. The memory system includes pedal position, allowing multiple drivers to find their preferred driving positions easily. Audio features include an AM/FM radio, steering wheel mounted audio controls, and 10 speakers, providing excellent sound throughout the cabin. Side curtain airbags deploy in extreme circumstances, shielding you and your passengers from collision forces. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.